guys, I'd like to thank all the clubs for showing up today. We have CMA, Christian Motorcyclists Association. We have the Windwalkers. We have the Walkers. Guys, we have the Red Knights over there. We got Iron Cross, Crossman. Let's see here. We got the Southern Cruisers down there putting on the bike show, guys. Get your bike in the bike show. There are prizes to be had on that. We've got t-shirts and hoodies for sale down here. We got Beamer down there selling them. He will model them for you. And he also has his lovely assistant, a little gremlin down there. See if you can get her to smile. And then we got a squirrel over here doing the raffle prizes. And guys, we are giving away a 75-inch TV. Guys, come over here, see one of us, and we'll get you taken care of on the raffle tickets for the 75-inch TV. I'd also like to thank Valley Rescue Mission for coming out today, helping us out with this. And also the vegan taco truck, guys. Make sure you go down there and get you some t-shirts and hoodies, guys.
Cross, we'll Riding down the highway, wind in my hair, got my leather jacket showing I dare. Tires roll beneath me, freedom calls. In this man's world, I stand tall through it all. They don't see the fire, just the steel I ride. But I've got my dreams and I won't hide. Wow, woman in a motorcycle world, racing down all lanes, watch my banners unfurl. I can do it all, just give me my chance. In the roar of the engine, I'm ready to dance. Counting the dollars, nights are so long, fixing up my bike, making me strong, working those hours just to stay afloat. In every heartbeat, hear this woman's note. With every twist and turn, I'm finding my way. In a world built for boys, I'm here to stay. Oh, motorcycle world, racing down all the lanes, watch my banners unfurl. I can do it all, just give me my chance. In the roar of the engine, I'm ready to dance. So here's to the riders, wild and free. In this motorcycle world, just let me be me.
Vámonos, vámonos, cojo ese mano, apoyando a los niños en esta época de amor.
Let's go, with toys in hand, supporting the children in this season of love.
From Harleys to Hondas, our bike shines so bright. Deck out in toys for Tots, gear a beautiful sight. We ride for the niños who deserve a little cheer. Our club's mission is clear, spreading joy this year. Vámonos, vámonos, con ese mano, apoyando a los niños en esta época de amor. Marines and bikers, united we stand, collecting toys for those in need across this land. Our brotherhood is strong, our hearts beat as one. For the children we ride under the bright winter sun. Vámonos, vámonos, con ese mano, apoyando a los niños en esta época de amor. Viva Latino Americano, our spirits high and bright, riding for a cause on this sunny day. Toys for Tots, we support you. With every mile, our hearts feel you.
In the heart of Georgia, where the Chattahoochee River flows, it's a brotherhood of riders with a mission that goes. They come from all directions, from Field City to Range and more, united for purpose to bring joy to the young and the poor. Toys for the cops, cardboard strong, riding for the children all day long. Arms and helmets, a seal crown, bringing hope and happiness to those who need it back home. The first Saturday in December, the day of the ride, the sun shines bright as the engines come alive. From cruisers to choppers, the rumble fills the air as the riders make their way to the hollow shop with care. Toss the tots, cardboard strong, ride for the children, all and all. Harness and helmets, a silk crown, bringing hope and happiness to those who leave it back home. Fellowship and laughter as they gather round, a sense of community that's hard to be found. Spirit of giving, that's what it's all about. A bond between the riders that'll never wear Columbus on that first Saturday in December, take a moment to look up and listen for the thunder. It's the sound of brotherhood and the joy of giving too. The Toys for Tots convoy, riding strong and true. on our skin. Every star tells a tale of where we've been. The fires of life were forged like steel. You run the chaos, it's blood we fear. How to create a simple loyalty line. We ride through the night, chase the sun, live by the code, can't be undone. Every mile, our legends will grow. In the heart of the biker, our spirit flows. To raise a glass, to the roads we roll. In every twist and turn, we find our home. Rolling down the highway, we ride side by side. Brothers and sisters of every race and pride. With leather jackets on, hearts beating as one. We gather for the kids, our mission's begun. Together we stand under the open sky. For the little ones waiting, we'll always try. Brothers united, no matter the race. In this world given, we find no place. Toys for tots bring hope, but joy is so bright. A small price for laughter, it's a beautiful sight. From cities to valleys, to each winding road, with laughter and spirit, our journey unfolds. A gift for a dreamer, a moment of cheer. We light up the faces, spread love through the year. Hand in hand we ride, let the engines roar. For every child dreaming, we give even more. Brothers united, no matter the race. In this world of giving, we find our place. Twice for tots bring hope, the joy is so bright. A small price for laughter, it's a beautiful sight. Stay safe.
information, freedom in the air. Legends roaring echoes, a symphony so loud. From above the throne sees the hour floating crowd.
See your mellow glistens in the sun. Down from the heavens, unto fountains on all the sides in motion. As spirits so long. For the wild journey, the dawn takes flight, capturing the essence of freedom tonight.
Chasing words are wide, the wheels you sing the light. Together like driven by the same chain. It's like a story, right or soul. That's the drum catches his magic, they're ready to
listen to real warriors, heart beating from down from the heavens. Sons of songs, and forest silence in motion. Their spirits so born for the wild journey. The dawn takes flight, capturing the essence of freedom tonight. Beneath the vast skyline, they find their way in the heart of the ride.